Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. This is the first time I've ever made the kind of spring web shooter. A lot of people have done it. I just kind of wanted to prove to myself, and I guess to you guys, that I could do it. This was only a project that took me about a day to design and build. So it was pretty easy, but the results were pretty cool. I have plans for implementing this in more advanced ways. But for now, this is a very simple and easy to build web shooter, which is why I'm planning on doing a tutorial on it. That's right, a tutorial is coming. The first tutorial on this channel since 2017. The first web shooter tutorial on this channel since 2015. So keep an eye out for that. However, the STL files for these 3D printable parts I am going to release on my Patreon. That's right, so for as little as $1 just this month, you could get access to those STL files. So the tutorial will come probably within the week, if not the week after, and it's a pretty easy build. So please do support me on Patreon. If not, that's okay. But if you do support me on Patreon, you will have access to those STL files and the STL files for the Doc Ock tentacle arm that I built a couple weeks ago. And I do recommend you check out that video as well. However, if you don't want to donate to me, or even if you do, I strongly recommend you instead donate to the COVID-19 Solidarity Response Fund. This is a fund set up by the World Health Organization so that they can get the resources they need to fight this pandemic, and so we can all go back to our normal lives. And with that, I would like to say thank you to those who do support me on Patreon: Otto Inc., Christopher Jordan, Green Ninja, Jalen Britt, Caleb Choice, Nicholas Sykes, Spider Kid, The Arachnids, and The Blood Spider, and Vigilantics. Without them, I would not be able to do this. I would have not been able to do this project, and I would not have been able to do that awesome tentacle. So, thank you guys, and thank you those of you who watched all the way through. I appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe if you enjoyed. Stay healthy, stay safe, and stay amazing.